This is the rear hatch lock actuator. Unlocked, locked. Unlocked, locked. That controls both the rear window latch and the rear hatch latch. Locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. That's unlocked. Problem I was having, the actuator was not activating the rear lever all the way. This little bar is actually what unlocks the latch. When you pull the handle, this is the motion. Mine was stopping right about here. Therefore, every time I pulled, every once in a while it would unlock, but most of the time I got nothing. Please excuse the Tin Man. That is all Annie sees. Don't want it to ever happen again.